Alright students, welcome back. Question number 6, important question series in triangles. Let's look at the question. In the right angle triangle ABC shown in the figure, this is ABC right angle triangle with C being the 90 degrees. D is the midpoint of BC. D is the midpoint of BC, meaning D is going to divide this BC into two equal parts, BD equal to DC. If A is connected to D, so this is actually a median. Vertex is connected to midpoint of the opposite side. So AD is given as root 5 and also AC has been given as 2, and we need to find AB, the hypotenuse of the bigger right angle triangle we have to calculate. So let's get into the derivation. Simple. We use Pythagoras theorem 2 times. First let us look at the smaller triangle ADC. Let us focus on. That's a right angle triangle at C being 90 degrees. So if I use Pythagoras theorem, opposite to 90 degrees we have AD. So AD squared must be equal to AC squared plus CD squared. So AD is given as root 5, AC is given as 2, so we need to find CD, which is x I had taken. So you just substitute them. Root 5 square equal to 2 square plus x square. So that is 5 equal to 4 plus x square, or x square equal to 1, and so x equal to 1. So we got x equal to 1 by simplification of that. The moment I got DC value, which is x equal to 1, I can calculate BC, the bigger one, total, because we know that D is midpoint, given as midpoint. So if BD equal to DC, then summation BC equal to BD plus DC, that is going to be 1 plus 1. It is going to be totally 2. BC equal to 2 units. That's what we got. Now let us go to the bigger triangle. So we got this whole thing AC given 2 and BC we have calculated as 2, 1 plus 1. So let us focus on the bigger triangle ABC. So opposite to 90 degrees, AB is the hypotenuse for the bigger triangle. If I use AB squared plus equals to AC square plus CB square, Pythagoras theorem there. So we can simply substitute AC and CB, 2 squared plus 2 squared, 4 plus 4 equal to 8. So AB squared equal to 8, otherwise AB equal to square root of 8, and that's the answer.